Stuck at 100% during a Windows 11 update? I'll share a fix to get your update moving. Stay tuned for a 2-quick solution to keep your system up to date. Navigate to the following path. See Windows Select System. Check for the Software Distribution folder. Verify the size of this folder to see if your Windows 11 update files are being downloaded. Press Start and type CMD. Select Command Prompt and run it as administrator. Type the following commands and hit Enter after each one. Navigate to Siege Windows aus SoftwareDistribution and delete all the folders in there. Open Command Prompt again and type in the following commands one by one. This restarting and refreshing the downloads to ensure that the Windows 11 update doesn't get stuck at 100%. On the contrary, it continues its quiet way in the background. Thanks for watching. If it helps, hit like and subscribe.